spread, okay? Aakyat kayo dito, guys. So,
Wala kayo mag-coms,
Wala daw
pre.
ay pick up. Wala daw ay pick up.
Walang eye pick up.
okay, follow the eyes on the crown, guys. Eyes on the crown, guys. Eyes on the crown, guys. Eyes on the crown, eyes on the crown. Eyes on the crown, eyes on the crown. Pamarka ko sa collar nila mamaya, ha? Pamarka ko sa collar nila mamaya. Okay, guys, move south, move south, move south. Move south, guys. Move south, move south. Okay, hold this position muna. Hold this position. Hold this position. Hold this position. DPS. Lapit kayo, DPS. Lapit kayo, DPS. Okay, yung HOG natin, i-ready mo. Kasi mag-engage tayo. Baba dito, DPS. Baba. Mag-engage tayo within 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop your E on me, guys. Drop your E. Okay, move northwest. Move northwest. Let's go. Kite northwest. Kahit na, guys, kahit na, okay? Hold this position, guys, defensive, all defensive. 10 seconds ako, guys, 10 seconds ako, nice one, 10 seconds ako, guys, 10 seconds. Choke point, wag kayong cross, okay? Okay, follow the crown, mag-cross na tayo ngayon, guys, naka-defensive sila, nakakite sila. Natapon ako, guys, so, looking yung collar nila, guys. Let's move southwest. Go southwest with me, guys. Okay, mag-set sila, guys. Defensive, ready, defensive. Everyone, defensive. We will counter engage in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop your E on me. Nice one. Nice damage. Okay, ready. Reset. 10 seconds ako, guys. Nice one. Okay, move southwest. Looking in collar nila. Defensive. We will counter engage, guys, ha? 7 seconds ako. Okay, follow the crown. We will set, guys, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop your E on me. Nice one. Okay, move northeast. Everyone, wag muna kayong humabol. Okay, hold this position. Hold this with the crown. Hold with the crown. Choke point to. May ina sila. Choke point to, guys, ha. May ina sila. Uy, defensive. Okay, punta kayo sa crown, guys. Hanapin yung crown. Guys. We will engage, guys, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop your E on me, guys. Drop your E. Nice one. Okay, hold this position. Choke point yan. Wag kayong papasok.
Damage, take up ito.
Choke point. Wag kayong papasok, guys. Back southeast. Go southeast. Everyone go southeast. Si Axe lang yung nawala sa atin, siya kasi Barsking, ha. Okay, guys, hold this position. Let them come in. Okay, yung may D-tank na mark, yung collar, ha. Okay, hold this position. Defensive, everyone. Defensive. Nice one. We will counter engage in 5, 4, 3,
yung namatay, huwag bumalik.
1. Drop your E. Nice one. Okay, move back southeast. Ready defensive, guys. Choke point to. Ready defensive. Okay. Go back. Hold this position. Everyone reset. Thank you very much. Okay, guys. Let's go, Psychopath. Let's go. Hold this with the crown. Hold the defensive. Nice one. We will engage in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop your E on me. Everyone. Nice one. Nice. Do damage, guys. Move northwest. DPS natin. DPS and brawlers. Hold this choke point. Nice hold, guys. 10 seconds ako, guys. Akyat na, guys. Yung mga DPS, akyat dito. Follow the crown. Go east. Push. Okay, we will engage. DPS on me. Everyone, DPS on me. Kasi mag-engage tayo within 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop your E on me, guys. Nice one. Okay, defensive. Looking collar na, defensive. Nice one. Hold this position. With the crown. Choke point yan, guys. 10 seconds ako. Move. Push. Everyone push. Okay. So 5 seconds na lang ako, guys, ha. Okay, hold this position. Defensive sila.
Atras muna.
Okay.
Atras.
Nice one.
Ayun rin, pag namatay yung marami, mag-GG rin kayo para di na kayo.
Sige. Nice one, nasan sila? Let's go southeast, 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 southeast. Protect my southwest. Okay, engaging sila guys. Defensive, defensive, everyone. So we will engage in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop your E on me. Nice one. Ubus sila, 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 ubus sila. Okay, ready guys, ready guys, ready new guys. Move, push southwest, push southwest. Wala silang clap, wala silang clap. Okay, push southwest within 10 seconds. Babalik tayo guys ha. Move, push everyone, push. Okay, full turn south northeast, full turn northeast. Patayin yung caller. Defensive. Okay, move northeast everyone. Move northeast muna. Reset tayo. Reset everyone. Wala yung perma natin.
Hindi ako napag-giga.
So,
Cool down. Rock.
Okay, so G pa ba yung mga DPS natin? Si Busnok lang.
Di pa.
Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go guys, let's go. Nice team. Hold this choke point. Papasokin natin yung caller nila. Ito na yung HOG Okay, defensive guys, defensive. We will counter engage in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop your E on me. Nice one. Nice damage everyone. Nice damage. Okay, back. No, back choke point. Back guys. Back northeast. Baka maulitin sa golem. No zombie. Yes, no zombie. Okay. Northeast.
Huwag mo ako sundan. Brawler ako.
Yes, yung mga ditangs natin ng brawler, huwag niyo sundan. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, we will move. Let's go. Okay na yung mga skills natin, cooldown na. Let's go. So, choke point to guys, choke point to. Mauna ditang. Okay, ready yung mga dashes nyo guys. Okay, defensive.
Oh shit.
Defensive. We will counter engage in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop your E on me guys. Uy, nauna. Dyan. So, nice one. Nice catch. Nice one. Okay, push guys. Push lang guys. Go brawl. Find the crown. Northwest. Okay, nice one. Wag muna mag-random E yung mga DPS natin Okay, push nyo. Ingatan yung choke point guys. Defensive, everyone. Defensive. We will clap guys in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop your E guys. Drop your E. Everything. Nice one. Nice damage guys. Nice damage. Okay, naka-defensive sila dyan Okay, move. Puntayin nyo yung mga mga brawler natin guys. Let's go. Habulin nyo. Okay, let's go. Saan yung mga healers natin? Nice one. Okay guys, looking yung caller nila dito guys looking yung caller nila. Defensive. We will counter engage. We will counter engage in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Drop your E on me guys. Drop your E. Okay, back guys. Kompleto pa sila. Go northeast. Everyone go northeast. Everyone DPS go northeast. Pahila ko sa mga brawlers natin sa frontline. Pahila ko sa frontline. Nice one. So 10 seconds lang guys Hold this muna. Okay. Go southwest. Ingat sa choke point. Spread kayo dito guys. Defensive. We'll counter engage in 5, 4, 3, 2, and cancel guys. Hindi ako makadaan. Sorry. Okay. We will reset guys in 5. Okay, reset. Spread dito. At least walang namatay. Okay, wag niyong sundan yung mga brawlers natin guys. Sa crowd lang kayo, especially DPS. Okay, let's move northwest. Okay guys, looking yung caller na guys. Spread. Defensive. We will engage in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop your E. Nice one. Who damage everyone. Nice one. Push. Go brawl guys. Go brawl. Nice one. Patayin yung sa center line natin. Go brawl. Pahila ko sa frontline. Healers. May E sila guys Okay. Roll nyo to nahuli. Okay, 5 seconds ako guys. Go. Push northeast. Push northeast. GG's na daw. Back GG's. Follow the crown. DPS. Mag-spread kayo DPS Mag-spread kayo. Okay, follow lang guys. Okay, magka-clap sila guys within 5. Defensive. We will counter engage in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oy. Nice one, nice one, nice one. Do damage, do damage. Okay, back guys, back. Reset. D-tanks, rollers. Nice one. Pahila ko sa frontline. Pahila ko sa frontline. Go northeast. Okay. Ilan yung namatay sa atin?
Si Wawi.
Yahweh na. Anong role ni Yahweh?
Naka na yan, northbound.
Root bomb. Okay, defensive guys, defensive. Oh,
Wala,
this
wala,
one.
fake.
That's fake. Okay, hold this. Back. Defensive guys, defensive. Wala. Fake. Nice one. Hindi nag-buff ng defensive. Okay guys. Zip tired, okay. Ready guys, papasok tayo within 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop your E on me guys. Drop your E. Everything. Okay. Go back guys. Go back. Winning defensive nila. Go back guys. Go back. Back northeast. Go northeast. Kill the front line. Go northeast. Okay guys, so 8 seconds ako. Okay, reposition, defensive. Pa-defense ako sa kanila. Okay, makabwa. Okay, we will engage in 5. Kaya niyo bang humabol? In 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Drop your E. Nice one. Do damage, everyone. Nice one. Ready defensive. Nandiyan yung caller nila. Okay, wag mong follow. Wag follow. Back guys. Wag niyo i-follow. Defensive. Wag i-follow pag yung callering na huli. Wag i-follow. Pabayaan yung mga natin and tanks. Okay, yung DPS pag-protect. Okay guys, 5 seconds ako. Let's go in. Okay, within 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Drop your isa dalawa. Nice one. Okay, reset guys, reset. May ina yan. Okay, nice one. Walang nawala sa party natin. Isa. Huwag mag-zombie ah.
Ako lang namamatay. Dito lang ako sa base.
Si Yahweh. Okay, hold this guys. Huwag kayong lalapit sa choke point guys. Hayan yung mga brawlers natin ng D-tanks. Okay guys. Follow the crown. After the smoke bomb, we will engage guys.
Defensive kayo.
Patay doon.
Don't go choke point.
Patay sila.
Hindi nakapatay.
Ako.
Grabe, sakit ng damage. Okay guys, everyone move on the choke point. Everyone, fast. Nice night armor. Oh. Okay, go. Ready nyo. Spread. Nandito yung caller. Spread. Defensive. We will counter engage in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Drop your E on me. Nice one. Nice job. Okay, push natin guys. Push natin. Nandito yung caller sa southwest ha. Nasa kay Kapitan Lin. Hold this one. Okay, baba choke point. Hold this one. Nandito yung caller nila. Hold this one. Huwag kayong bababa. Nahuli yung caller. Yan, random nyo lang. Okay, patay natin yung caller. In 5, 4, 3, 2, drop your E. Back guys, back. Wala na silang caller. Back muna dito guys. Okay, we will move. Puntahan natin yung mga brawlers natin guys. 15 seconds ako. Sabi niyo lang pag nag-GG's. Okay, 9 seconds ako. Sabi, GG na daw, back.
Pwede na ako pasok.
Okay, G na daw. Okay, clear comms tayo guys. Hold this choke point. Okay, yung mga DPS natin, wag niyo i-follow yung mga frontlines natin na. Okay, let's go. Move. Safe pa tayo dito. Okay, spread on this guys. Spread on this the one. Okay, we will engage in 5. Okay, defensive muna. Okay, nice one. That's effect. Defensive. Nice one. We will counter engage. Okay, we will counter engage in 5, in 4. Okay, natapon ako guys. Na-regroup muna kayo guys. Nahati tayo guys ha. Okay, we will engage in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Drop your E on me. Na-silence ako guys. Sorry. Nice one. Nice damage. Okay, defensive. Ready na yung mga inyan. Okay, move south northeast. Move northeast guys. Muna. Reset muna tayo. Move northeast. Ayan yung muna yung mga frontlines natin. Dito tayo sa likod. Okay, everyone. Fast, everyone. On me. We will clap in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Drop your E on me. Nice one. Nice damage. Okay, move northwest, guys. Move northwest. Nalikuran tayo. Move northwest. Mga, uish, patay yung mga DPS ba natin? Okay, hold this position. 7 seconds ako. Push northeast. Push northeast. GG's daw. Sige, back.
Sabi sa alay.
Dami ko nakikita nagraramdam niya.
Kaya nga, i-address ko yan mamaya.
Sige.
Kitang-kita sa wood ko lahat yan. Yung calls ni Ama Rider na pinapapunta na kayo ng northwest, northeast.
Nasa baba pa sila.
Tapos meron pa rin nagda-drop ng east.
GG na daw.
Sabi nila. GG's na daw? Tapos na? Eight na
lang.
Ayusin nyo,
Eight.
guys. Wait lang. Ayusin nyo next kasi I pick up na to.
Wala na yung advantage natin na dito.
Alright.